Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Snipping Tool. Press Windows plus Shift plus S to jump straight into Capture. Choose a mode, rectangular for quick crops or window for apps, so you get the frame you need. Arrange your screen now, move menus or hover elements where you want them. Once done, click or drag to capture. The selection is copied to clipboard and opens in the Snipping Tool editor. Make sure to glance at the thumbnail in the corner so you know it's saved correctly. Now you move into the editor to refine the image. Use the pen and highlighter to call out details, vary stroke thickness for emphasis. Crop by dragging the handles or select an aspect ratio such as 16:9 for presentations. If you need precise marks, use the ruler or protractor to align lines. This keeps annotations clean. Once your edits look right, use the undo or eraser to fix mistakes, and then choose Save or Copy to export the finish by saving and sharing your work. Press Ctrl plus S to save quickly and pick PNG for quality. You can also copy to clipboard or use the Share button to send the image to an app. Make sure to name files clearly and pick folders you'll remember. If you run into problems, like the shortcut not working, check settings for keyboard conflicts, restart the Snipping Tool, and, if needed, install Windows updates to restore functionality. That one fix resolves most capture issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.